guys, welcome back to another episode of R&Dgarage. We're back in the shop and it's a gorgeous day out. Ignore the heater, I'm always cold. But today we are doing a tool review and I'm super excited about it because it's one of the necessary tools I needed to basically pull out some bearings in Blueberry's transmission. You know the fight that we've had with my 98 Acura Integra GSR Supersonic Blue, my unicorn car, but man, she has so many issues. So this tool is definitely going to help. It's a race/bearing puller, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you guys today. Hope you're excited as I am. So our goal today is to remove the outer shell of the bearing by using the puller tool. Now, my tool here isn't a name brand only because I don't do a whole lot of these, but if you own a shop, you're definitely going to want a brand name, and I'll throw a couple of links to different maybe types of brand names out there that'll probably serve you guys well. But it's pretty cool. The one I got, it's so funny because it looks like it's a baby slide hammer, which I thought was cute. And then obviously it's got all the different sizes of pullers that you could ever need. So far, this kit has actually served me pretty well. So let's go ahead with this. The first thing you're going to notice, this is slightly bigger than what is normally needed, but since there's no more bearings in here, it needs a slightly bigger puller. And so when you first stick yours in, yours will be like seriously closed unless you start to open it up. And so when you first put it in on yours, it may be a little loosey-goosey. But on here, it's already kind of a snug fit. So what we're gonna do next is tighten this up so it doesn't move at all. And to do this, it's our fun times here. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna tighten. And I'm loosening. And that's looking good. So that's nice and tight right there. Next, we're going to come along and put this guy on. And so, first, when you first goes on, you want to tighten this down. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and take this larger wrench. In this case, it's 24 millimeter. And we're going to tighten it until the feet touch and don't move. And you're going to have to kind of hold it all together too. So. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm just making sure my feet aren't touching what we're pulling out, because that would kind of be contrary to what we're doing. And so now I'm going to go ahead and take my wrench, use the box end, and continue tightening while hoping this gets pressed out. And the thing about this, it's not the easiest tool in the world, and you're always going to have to either hold on or kind of keep an eye out, so keep that in mind. But you can see it's smoothly being pressed out, so this is good. Look at that, guys. How easy is that? Fantastic. Well, guys, that's basically how you use a puller. So here's a closer look. Now again, this is just kind of an import kit. No name, it's not even Harbor Freight. But as you can see, it got the job done. Because these can be super difficult to take out, as any mechanic knows. So as you can see, this kit is in fact pretty complete. We've got the two-footed, kind of puller. We've got the slide hammer, which is like kind of miniature. We go from basically really, really small to really, really large for all your needs. We have some threaded ones. This would even work on like pilot bushings, actually. It gets me thinking. Now I'm kind of excited. But yeah, again, this is basically, you saw I pulled out that bearing shell in like less than 5 minutes, less than 2 minutes. So again, I think this is a pretty good kit if you're doing a whole lot of tranny work. So, in essence, sorry guys, I'm a little drowsy today, but thank you so much for watching this R&D Garage video. I'm about to film a couple more tool reviews. I hope you guys love them. Actually, I had this new thing where if you make a comment on the wall, if you're into it, I will totally call your name out in the next video and give you a thumbs up. Or something, I don't know, I'm a dork. But I'll think of something to do, okay? So anyway, take care you guys. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. Have a great week.